Visit the Flushing A on Fridays for all-you-can-eat fish and chips. Or how about a hot dog with their famous red sauce? Get into the Flushing A today. Visit Patsy Lou's Fine Cars in Flushing, where every car is $99.99 or less, and all come with a 5-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Pearson Road, Flushing. The service department at Patsy Lou's Fine Used Cars in Flushing offers award-winning service, free inspections, and estimates by certified technicians. Stop in today. Colonial Lanes in Flushing has leagues forming for all ages. Try the new Bumper League for kids ages 3 to 6 every Saturday for just $5 a week. And join us for our 9-pin no-tap tournaments with a $1,000 first prize. Plus, volleyball begins May 15th with league openings for all teams. Call for details. Auto Pride Collision can fix anything, offering free loaner cars, free pickup and delivery, plus lifetime warranties. Take pride in your ride at Auto Pride Collision. So when you're in Flushing, get to the Flushing A and always remember to advertise on the original Placemat with a Puzzle by Jenny Lynn.